I know everybody goes for fancy schmancy, but simple is what actually sells. Simple is what connects us, and simple is what, if I'm coming to your website, I'm going to need. I'm just going to say. So here is an example that we want to share about the menus. So menus look different on your like laptop or desktop, your tablet, your phone. You have to think about where someone's coming to your website and think about it. If you have a menu bar that's just loaded to to the edge at the top, that may not look good whenever you're doing it for your mobile. It may be too much. So I want you to think about making it really simple at the top. The gray boxes in this, it's not a diagram. I don't know what this is called now that I just said that. In this example, I started to like anyway, in this example, um the gray boxes at the top with the little pencil beside them, that is the, actually that's dynamite and I just got that wrong too. So let me just say this, let me change what I'm saying again, y'all. Is the gray boxes that have rounded corners at the top of this example are for your main categories. So if you have a media page and then underneath that you have your podcast, you have, places that you've been featured, you have different things underneath it. That's what would go in the box underneath. So, as you're thinking about your menu, how can you group things together for your treeing part of your process? How can you group them and make it really simple so someone can come and say, "Oh, this is how I work with them. Oh, this is how I connect with them. And wow, look at what all they have going on." So, that to me is a really important piece